Hi dear students, welcome to our maths class. Our first chapter is overall finished. Today, now we are going to discuss about the second chapter, average. Your chapter name? Average. The study of average help us to analyze and explain the surrounding numerically and that thereby to take one's on decision. The concept of average is presented in a new method of average in this lesson. What is average? What is average? Average is a number representing a group of numbers. Average is a number representing group of numbers. How can we find average? To find the average, to divide the sum by their numbers. Average, listen, all of you listen, average, total sum divided by the numbers. Average, so equation of average, total sum divided the numbers. Average, how can we find average? How can we find average? Average, total sum divide their numbers. And simple method, total by numbers. Total sum divide their numbers. So simple total by numbers. Got it? Do you understood? Any doubt? Average is a number representing group of numbers. To find the average total sum their numbers. Small, average, total by numbers. Very easy, total by numbers to find the average. Today, our activity, first activity, average problem. May I clean the board? Okay, may I clean the board? Yes. Activity first. Subtitle, average problem. Average problems. Question number 1. The number of children, write down the number of children, attended the class from Monday to Friday, are 35, 34, 32, 33 and 31. The average number of children who attended attended classes each day. Number of children attend the class from Monday to Friday are 35, 34, 32, 33 and 31. The average number of children who attended the class each day. The average number of children who attended classes each day. Okay, may I clean the question and write the answer? Answer. Total attendance. Total attendance. Total attendance 35 plus 34 plus 32 plus 33 plus 31. The total attendance 5 days, Monday to Friday. How many days Monday to Friday? 5 days. The total attendance Monday 35, Tuesday 34, Wednesday 32, Thursday 33 and Friday 31. Next, to find the total attendance 165. Again, I can find 35 plus 34 plus 32 plus 33 plus 31. 65. 165 is the total attendance. A number of days. How many number? How many number of days? Number of days. Number of days. Monday to Friday. How many days? 5. 5. Average attendance. Average attendance. Average attendance. How can we find average attendance? How can we find average attendance? Average total sum divided by their number. Total sum is 165. The total attendance. Average, to find average attendance, total attendance divided by their number, divided by 165. 165 divided by their number 5. Got it? 165 divided by 5. 5. How many times in 5 and 16? 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Balance 1 and 5. Next to 15. How many times in 15 in 5? 3 times. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Average attendance is 33. Average attendance is 33. Okay, got it? Do you understood? Write in your notebook. Listen here, right? Okay. Next activity. Activity number 2. Activity number 2. The total income of, write down, the total income of a man, total income of a man in 8 days. 8 days. 8 days is 1,840 rupees. What is his average income? What is his average income per day? Per day means one day. Per day. The total income of a man. Total income of a man in 8 days. The total income of a man in 8 days is 1,840 rupees. Total income 1,840 total income. And what is his average income per day? What is his average income? Listen, total income 1,840 rupees. Number of days you identify. Number of days 8. Very good. Number of days 8 days. 8 days. Average income. How can we find average income in this word problem? Total income. Yeah, very correct. Total income divided by numbers. Total income divided by numbers. Total income. Red. Okay. And divided by, okay, total income divided by age. Or total income divided by age. Two method. Yes. Solve this problem. Eight. How many times 8 in 18? 2. 2. Balance 2 and 4. 24. How many times 24 and 8? How many times? 3. Balance? No. And next last number 0. How many times? 0. Average income per day 230 rupees. 230 rupees. Once more explain. The total income of man in 8 days is 1,840 rupees. What is his average income per day? Means 1 day, per day. And the step, the total income 1,840 rupees. Number of days, age, average income. Again, average income, total income divided by number. Total income divided by number. They can be get the answer. Average income 230 rupees. Do you understood? Any doubt? Okay.